Who needs furnace maintenance in Boise, Idaho? You do. Why? Because a furnace that is well cared for will help you save money, stay comfortable, and give you peace of mind. When it comes to furnace service, you can count on Peppy to hop to it right away. The Peppy Performance Furnace Maintenance Tune-Up is a game changer. Their skilled HVAC technicians will perform an expert analysis of your furnace with their 21-step checklist. They'll investigate key components that may need to be replaced, as well as check for dangerous leaks. They know that your furnace works hard all winter long, so they'll make sure to give it the attention it needs. The 3 main benefits of a yearly furnace maintenance checkup are: 1. Your furnace will run at peak performance when properly maintained. 2. Regular furnace tune-ups will extend the life of your furnace. 3. Yearly furnace maintenance will maintain your warranty. Got a question about furnace air filters? Your Peppy Pro will also advise you on a filter changeout schedule to meet the needs of your home. And when it's time to consider replacing your furnace, they'll always provide options. Furnace maintenance in Boise, Idaho just got easy. Get cheerful advice from the HVAC experts at Peppy Heating and Cooling. Schedule a furnace maintenance tune-up today. You'll be glad you did. Call 208-906-6928.